Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the July 2025 Double Shot Kit. The Double Shot Kit comes out every month. It's the smaller of our two collection kits, so you'll receive two brand new collections. You get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So it's a little taste of new product each and every month. You also get lots of free exclusives. So to start with, you get two recipe files. These are for double page layouts that our talented design team creates for you. And they give you their cutting and assembly instructions, and then you'll have a color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with them. You also have access to this free exclusive cut file. These are designed by Cut to You exclusively for our members. So this month is this awesome camera and the title Go See Do, so you could use those together or separate. I think this is a great cut file for this summer when everybody's out vacationing and seeing things. And it's going to go perfect with our collections this month. So be sure to grab all of your freebies. This month our two collections are Book Fair from Simple Stories and Pretty Picnic from Maggie Holmes. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at everything you're going to get this month. The first collection we're going to look at is Book Fair from Simple Stories. I love this collection. I love the colors in it. It's something unique. It also has a little bit older feel to it. I know a lot of the school collections we have seem to be quite young, so when they get older it's kind of hard to document. But this one I think has some elements to it that could go for the older kids. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Peacock, 1 sheet of Fruit Punch cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called Class Schedule, which is the notebook paper and the floral cluster with the pencil on the side. I just love it. The back is paper airplanes on an orange. This paper is called Way to Go, and it's a fun take on stripes. You have all of the stripes over here, but this could be a great background page. It has this kind of linen design in the yellow. The back is another grid design on the diagonal in the red. Then we have this paper called Dream Big, which has the calculator, the globes, all the different little school icons. And the back is a striped. So you can see all of the colors for this collection here. Your embellishments, you're going to get a wide variety of embellishments, so that's always fun to me. You're going to get some foam stickers. You're going to get some of the enamel dots. You're going to get these gorgeous floral bits. So all of your embellishments will vary, but this gives you a good idea of what they'll be. So some of them are clusters of flowers and some individual little pieces. You're also going to get some of the journal bits, and I always love these because they match so perfectly in, and a lot of times they're like little icons like this, but it just gives you a little spot to get that journaling in. So that is Book Fair from Simple Stories. Our next collection is Pretty Picnic from Maggie Holmes. So this is all typical Maggie Holmes, the florals, the same bright yellows and pinks and the little golden touches. It's just gorgeous. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. You're going to get 1 sheet of fussy cardstock. Your patterned paper is this one, which they've gone now to numbering them. So this is $5.89. I'm just going to do that because the beginning numbers are all the same. Beautiful yellow roses on the pink, very typical Maggie Holmes. The back is a blue checkerboard, kind of a periwinkle blue. We have full branding strips on these. This one's $5.96, which is a pink and golden plaid on the diagonal. And the back is this gorgeous yellow polka dot. Paper $5.90, these little wildflower clusters and all of the different colors. I really like that. It's really pretty against these. And then a gorgeous wood grain. Such hard decisions when they put gorgeous flowers on the backs of wood grains. So that is your pattern paper. For your embellishments, these will vary among the kits. You're going to get the 6x12 cardstock sticker sheet, so you'll get this half or the other half. But lots of options there with icons. I have banners, I have little word labels. So that is Pretty Picnic from Maggie Holmes. One more look at your double shot kit. Remember to grab all of those freebies. Come on over to the Facebook group. We have lots of challenges. We have a Facebook challenge, the Freaky Fast Friday, which is my favorite. lots of inspiration from the design team and your fellow subscribers. So load those finished layouts from the kits. We love seeing what you create. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.